your typical lineup at a rally school, right?
Not really.
I mean, we have 3 matching vehicles and then my wife's R2. Current spec Subaru STI for the open class here in America. Cossie version 2 90s retro mod rally car. My wife's R2, which is a grassroots spec rally car. And of course, 1100 horsepower trophy truck.
Yeah, man.
So, you know, the thing is, we have all these sitting here. We're done testing, nice and clean. So, how about we do a little more science?
I think that's a wonderful idea.
I mean, the funny thing is, like, it's one thing to compare them all going down a rally stage. You know, we know what the trophy truck does versus the STI. That's in a previous episode. V8 versus flat 4. But I think I want to do something like really simple, just acceleration, a hairpin, turn around, acceleration again, and braking. Because they're all different. They all kind of have their own attributes that are good and bad. Like, you know, the trophy truck's double the weight of the STI. Of the rally cars, the Cossie's actually the heaviest, but man, that engine's strong.
Yeah, I mean,
You know?
and that has 3 times the power of any of these.
Yeah,
It's got more power than all of these collectively.
Yeah, all those together equal the power of the trophy truck. But the trophy truck's what, 6,500 pounds? The funniest thing, sorry guys or bros, is that the little R2, which is a 3-cylinder turbo, that may beat the 1,100 horsepower truck.
So, here's a question. Can 200 horsepower best 1,100 horsepower?
Wait, you think the R2's 200 horsepower, is it?
It's like right, it's actually less. It's like 197.
Okay. Yeah, I thought so. So I'll drive these 2. Lucy will drive the R2. She hasn't driven in 2 years, so this will be one of her first things she has to do here. And then Jax will drive the Cossie.
Nice.
Yeah.
Let's do some science. All right, so first up, we're gonna pull the Subaru out, see what it does. Here's the way it's going down. We've got a start from a dead stop, straight away, into a hairpin turn, straight back, into a stop box. Nice and simple. Let's see what she do. Mr. Alan and Pudia, thank you for joining us.
Thank you for having me.
All right, so here's the deal. We're starting with the Subaru. We got our man Alex timing it. You ready?
Yeah. Yeah.
Looking slick with those shades.
Super fast. For the fast lappers.
That's right. What do you think? Is this
I
it?
think I have faith in our truck. Under 10 seconds for sure.
Oh! What was it?
15.7.
Okay, no, he did that. Need another try. Need another one.
Try it one more.
One more, yeah, just another one. You know, one more just to be sure.
So sick.
There you go.
Hey, 1.8 seconds from a rally car. Not bad. Not bad. I think it's the sunglasses that's giving the extra speed.
Yep. Shout out to 100%.
Yes.
Oh!
15.8.
Damn! Hey, consistency, my man. Man, 15.8 seconds.
Not bad, not bad, not bad.
Hey.
I'm proud.
Okay, up next, we got our man Jax in the Cossie. Let's see what he can do in that. So this is Jack's first time driving this car on gravel. And
with launch control, doing the 180s. He did a little bit on tarmac, but it's nothing like actually being in full race mode.
yeah. What was that?
14.9.
Hey! All right, so 14.9 seconds for the Cossie. Let's get the R2 out here.
Yeah, did I beat him?
No.
What he said? Did I beat the
One
truth?
more time.
She would definitely have beat the trophy truck if it wasn't the conditions now. Not favorable to, her driving style.
So there you have it.
Oh, that was good.
Yeah. So, what did we learn here today?
I'm still married. She isn't that mad at me.
So, we've learned the Subaru is pretty damn fast.
Yeah.
Trophy truck's pretty fast too.
Yeah, trophy truck surprised me.
I want to say you need to give Lucy a second back because the road surface is terrible.
Yeah. The road surface has definitely changed. So, at least give her a second. It was fun seeing Jack and Lucy learn, because this isn't the easiest. You think, oh, you just launch and you do a hairpin, but it's not the easiest thing in the world to do. So, science. We learned new science.
Science in the name of fun. And
Wait,
also
so it was the Subaru, then
the trophy truck.
the trophy.
Oh wait, no,
truck?
the Cossie.
The Cossie's
Yep.
Subaru Cossie trophy truck R2. I mean, it's predictable.
Yeah.
Well, I was hoping the R2 would do a little better, but it's only a 3-cylinder.
Yeah.
1000 cc.
Okay, but honestly, style points, trophy truck. Let's be fair.
Well, that's why I gave you the extra donuts.
Yeah, exactly.
to ride!